Hello and welcome to Tech Baffle. I'm James Whitworth and today I'm going to take a look at the Rolson multi-purpose retractable utility knife. As you can tell, I'm not wearing my merch, but I've just placed my order on techbaffle.com/shop. So this knife takes an SK5 blade. It also has a double-sided blade, so you can switch around the blades if one side gets blunt and then you can switch it around and use the other side. This promises to be a heavy-duty knife, and there's also a variable blade length. So you can either have 20mm, 15mm or 5mm, so you can change the sort of length you want to use. Manufactured from heavy-duty zinc alloy material. So an alloy is basically a mix of different metals. It also is complete with double-sided heavy-duty SK5 blade for professional use and longer life. A variable blade so you can adjust the length. Simply press and slide the mechanism to expose the blade. And it's also ideal for multiple cutting usage. So it shows you a little diagram down here on how you can change the blade. It says warning, always wear protection when using hand tools. So if you're looking for a utility knife, this is a budget option. I'll put links in the description on where you can buy. So the ironic thing is that you need something to cut it open with, but it's good, it's strong packaging because you don't want it just coming out because that'd be dangerous. Scissors to the rescue. So this is the utility knife itself. So it includes a metal casing. It feels very nice and high quality. Nice simple design. It also includes a hole there that you can include on some sort of key ring or something. I'm not sure if you'd really put it on some keys, but it's probably more to actually hang it up somewhere if you want to put it on like a hook. That's probably more what it's for instead of a key ring. That would be a bit crazy. Here's the lever along the side, and if we're all in luck, you should just press it in. So what it is like a little spring. You just press it so you can't accidentally nudge it. I think that's the idea. It's like a safety switch. So if you accidentally knock it, it's not going to pop up on its own. So you press it in and the knife appears like that. So there's different levels like it promised. It clicks in different places. So that's the shortest level. Then that's the next level. And then finally, that is the tallest level. So yep, a nice good quality knife, which seems very versatile at the moment. So the main reason why I got this knife is to unbox products. You know the struggle of parcel tape and all that kind of thing. It can be a bit awkward with scissors. So I bought this as hopefully it can tackle the likes of online delivery packaging. Frustration free, not quite. We have a box and that is very close up on the camera above, apologies. But hopefully you should be able to see that there's some parcel tape on there. So now for the test. Does it cut through the tape? It does as well. Oh, yeah, I'm cutting through the box. The problem with this tape is it's hard to tell where the parts of the box go in the middle. No, I've done it through the middle bit there. Now that was very easy. Also, you shouldn't really have your arm there, also. And you also shouldn't be cutting towards you as well. I'm doing everything wrong, which is typical. That is 100% accurate Tech Baffle. But as you can tell, the box opens without any issues, and that was really easy. So next up, for a bit of fun, we can just try and cut through the actual packaging itself. So let's see what we can do. Obviously, if you're doing this properly, you'd want a proper cutting mat and that kind of thing. But as you can tell, it cuts through the plastic. If you put more pressure on it, it'll probably cut all the way through. Overall, this seems like a really good quality knife considering its budget price. It's very nice metal construction. It feels solid. It feels like something that's going to last a long time. If you want to buy this product, I'll put the links in the description. Obviously, age restrictions apply, and always be careful when operating this sort of product because it has a very sharp blade. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and ding that bell icon for future post notifications. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat, so go ahead and follow me at TechBaffle. For all the tech info you need, head over to techbaffle.com.